Hi everyone, my name is Ayanda from South Africa. Today I'll be teaching shopping in Sotho. Libulaning. Libulaning. Libulaning means when do you open? Likwalaning. Likwalaning. Likwalaning means when do you close? Ke a ibatla. Ke a ibatla. Ke a ibatla means I want it. Ha ke ibatle. Ha ke ibatle. Ha ke ibatle means I don't want it. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel. The link is right down below.